What is a GFCI outlet? How to install GFCI outlet? Where is a GFCI required? Wiring for GFCI outlet. A GFCI or ground fault circuit interrupter is a genuinely economical electrical device that detects ground faults and protects individuals from deadly electric shocks. What is a GFCI outlet? A ground shortcoming circuit interrupter outlet, GFCI outlet, is a protective device explicitly designed to break the circuit each time there is a disparity among incoming and outgoing current. The GFCI outlet safeguards electrical wiring from overheating and conceivable fire, incredibly restricting or confining and limiting the risk of shock ventures and lethal burns. How does a GFCI outlet work? Diligently tracks the continuous flowing in a circuit to identify fluctuations. It has 3 holes, 2 of the holes are for neutral and hot wire, and the third hole is in the power source which serves as a ground wire. Assuming it detects any change in the electrical flow in the circuit, it will quickly cut off the flow of electricity. Where is a GFCI required? GFCI outlets are significant, particularly when the electrical outlets are positioned near water. Installing GFCI outlets in your kitchen, restrooms, laundry rooms, pool house, and so forth is a good idea. Besides being an essential preventive measure, the law furthermore requires you to have GFCI outlets installed all throughout your home. How to install GFCI outlet? The process for GFCI outlet installation is exceptionally simple. Everyone will understand and grasp the GFCI outlet installation by taking a step-by-step strategic approach. Step 1. The first and critical step is to shut down the power to the circuit where you are installing the GFCI outlet. In the wake of turning off the power, just flip the circuit breaker. You can test for electricity with the assistance of a circuit tester. Step 2. After that, remove and eliminate the screw of the cover and furthermore take out the cover altogether. This will uncover you with the actual mounting screws of the old receptacle. Step 3. In third step, loosen both the mounting screws and cautiously remove the receptacle without touching any wires. 2 full checks for electricity in the wires with a circuit tester. Step 4. After that, loosen the silver screws and disconnect all the neutral wires from the receptacle. Step 5. Connect all the neutral wires utilizing a wire nut and pigtail 1 neutral wire. Step 6. In this step, disconnect or disengage every one of the black hot wires from the old receptacle and interface them using a wire nut. Step 7. Connect or interface to the hot pigtail wire to hot line terminal of the GFCI, which will be only inverse to the white line terminal. Step 8. Remove or eliminate the bare ground wire from the old receptacle and connect it to the green grounding terminal of the GFCI. Step 9. Wrap up every one of the wires carefully into the box and gradually embed the GFCI outlet into the receptacle box. Step 10. Turn on the power and test the new GFCI outlet utilizing the test and reset buttons. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines on the most proficient method to test. Why does the GFCI outlet trip and what to do when it trips? The ground fault circuit interrupter is essentially designed to avert ground flaws by immediately disturbing the flow or progression of current from the power source. Advantages of installing GFCI outlets. A. Prevent shocks. Electrical shocks and electrocution are significant dangers that you can be exposed to through electrical devices at your home. B. Void damage to appliances. There is a decent opportunity that the insulation of an appliance will break over the long haul. C. Automatic monitoring. GFCI monitors the flow or progression of electricity through the outlet by means of a built-in sensor. D. Avert fatal electrical fires. One of the principal functions of a GFCI outlet is to detect ground faults, which happen when the flow of electrical current leaves a circuit. E. Immediately identifiable. GFCI outlets vary in appearance from regular ones in that they regularly have built-in test/reset buttons. F. Protection no matter what the source of a surge. The outlet or power source will trip whether a ground fault happens due to terrible wiring, the breakdown of the appliance, or the presence of water or dampness. Conclusion. GFCI or ground fault circuit interrupter is a genuinely inexpensive electrical gadget that shields workforce from severe electric shocks. It detects ground faults with a leakage current as low as 5 mA and trips the circuit open in under 1/25 of a second. You ought to definitely install GFCI outlets, both at your home and workplace, fundamentally for security reasons. Make sure to get them installed exclusively by licensed electrical technicians and experts. Thanks for watching.